Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. It's a beautiful Monday morning and I'm out here with one of my little drones to fly. This one is rather unusual. I have flown this one before, the Avatar RC Banshee. And this thing is an ornithopter, so I felt like flying this guy this morning. Brought it out here, brought you guys along. Check it out. The wings flap. And that's how an ornithopter works. I can't remember if Da Vinci created this. If I'm not mistaken, I think Da Vinci was the first person with an ornithopter. I don't think Tesla did that. It was Da Vinci. So let's get it in the air. Try to bind this thing up. Hopefully it'll be a better flight than last time.
Flight limit mode connected and ready to fly.
So it says it's connected. Hope I remember how to fly this thing. I think I'm gonna have to throw it. Not the tree, no! And it went out of range. That's it. I stopped it. I was trying to control it, it wouldn't go. Let me see if I can. I don't remember what's expert mode on this thing. Let me see. Blinding me with the sun. Okay, I think I got it. Oh, bird almost got me. Let's see, since I'm up so high, can I stop flapping? Oh, she went crazy on me. I was thinking this was like the other ornithopter where you can press the button. This button here will stop the wings from flapping and you can glide. But I wasn't able to do that. Flying pretty high today. Oh, I'm not trying to go that direction. Let's go. Let's go. Pick it up. Here we go. Oh, birds keep trying to attack me. I guess I'm in their space. Come down a little. And it's going up higher. I'm trying to bring it back down. Trying to avoid the darn trees and all. Okay, she's starting to stall. I was holding down back too far. Uh-oh. I'm kind of nervous. I hit the button to bring her down. Come on, girl, don't fly that way. She's coming down. Okay, let's pick back up. Oh, not the trees. Try to do a flyby. This thing is awesome, guys. The Avatar RC Banshee. An ornithopter. A little bit different, something different this morning. Oh, no, don't go down. Oh, I went down on you. Pretty cool that it makes the sounds and all. My feet are getting wet out here. This grass is a little wet. Let's go for one more flight. Try to keep it in close this time for y'all. Check it out, y'all. She's trying to go up high again. Such a beautiful day that it's easy for her to go high. Okay, there's the stall right there, guys. I got her to do it. But she just couldn't pick back up in time. Kind of a delay after you do that glide mode. Coming out of the glide mode, when I press the button, it takes a while for the wings to start flapping again. And so I'm a little nervous with flying this thing. It seems like it flies a pretty long time. And pretty awesome little ornithopter here. I'm kind of nervous of losing it in the trees. And I've been flying for a while now, so I'm going to end the video right here. I'll have links in the description where you guys can get this if I still can find it. Thanks for watching.